Hey guys, Jennifer and Steve here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what are we doing today?
So what we have here is the brand new 365 V Crown put out by SIG Sauer, made and engineered specifically for CCW. And what we're going to do today is test it and see whether or not the claims are true. What they're saying is it's about 10% less felt recoil. So we're going to throw a few rounds down range, see how it works.
All right, guys, I'm going to load this up so they have no clue what ore these are in. We're going to use some of the new 365 V Crown ammo and just the regular SIG 9mm ball ammo. I'm going to have the 147 grain V Crown and the 115 grain 365 ammo, and I'm going to kind of alternate the two. They're not going to know which order they're going to be in, and we're going to find out what they think.
All right, guys, so Jen, initial thoughts. Could you tell a difference?
I could on the first set, mostly with just the last round, but other than that, I mean, it's really about the same for me.
Yeah. You know, I'm going to say the same thing. We tried both 115 grain of two different brands, and then we tried 115 grain and 147 grain, both in a defensive 9mm round. What I would say is there wasn't enough difference. I'm not saying there wasn't 10% difference. I'm saying that I was not able to regularly identify the difference between a 10% differentiation between the two different rounds. Having said that, you know, if you're sitting there shooting on a regular basis, yeah, that 10% might come into play because you less fatigue. The other thing I would say is if it's functioning reliably, which so far today we've had no issues out of the 115 grain 365 V Crown, which is the new product being put out by SIG, we've had no feeding issues out of that. And I think that to me is more important than anything. Accuracy, you know, my very first set of them, I literally put 10 rounds and was able to cover it with a quarter. So accuracy is definitely there, both out of the gun and out of the ammunition. I like the fact that they did engineer a round specifically for that gun that will also work in other small CCWs. I think that's the #1 concern we see when people are carrying these little subcompact 9mm is reliability. So if SIG has figured that piece out and it's going to feed more reliable, I don't care if it has more recoil, less recoil, I don't care if it gives up a little bit of accuracy or it's more accurate. I like the fact that it goes, yes, as long as you can count, I like the fact that it goes bang every time. Yeah. So if we can get the reliability factor figured out, which it appears that they have, then that's a step in the right direction. Having said that, they also got the accuracy in there, and so I think all in all, I will try them out for a while and see how I like them. So far, I think it's a win.
Yep. So that being said, the SIG 365 V Crown ammo is going to be right around the exact same price as the standard V Crown ammo. So you should be able to find it in your local gun shop just under $20 bucks.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care.
Thanks.